Hello everyone, today we will make selection sort in browser, so let's begin. First, create 3 files, index.html, sscss, ssjs. Then, add the boilerplate and link your CSS files in the head tag and JS file. Int the body tag. The nav tag is optional. I am adding, just to make navigation easy with previous files. Add a section tag with class as container, inside section tag add one button tag. With class btn, onclick event and close it. Add input tag with id as speed, add div tag with class as input, and inside div add an input tag for taking array input, like last time and close it. Then add another div tag with class as output, inside it add h4 tag, and a paragraph tag with id output box and close it. That's it, we are done with HTML file. Let's head to CSS file. In the CSS file, set margin and padding to 0 for all elements. Give body some background color and 100% height and align the items in the body tag. Next, set text decoration of anchor tag to none, add transition of 0.5 second, and color as inherit. Add an hover event to anchor tag and add color property. Then target the container class, add border radius, backdrop filter, width, height, and some box shadow. Then customize the input and label tags. Add style to btn class as below and add hover event to change cursor when mouse is hovered over it. Now make padding 10 px, background as transparent and border radius as 4 px for speed. Add height 38% to the output class and padding as 10 px. Add padding and border to h4. I am going to keep the links of HTML and CSS files in the description, so you can download them. Now, let's go to JS file. Now create a const variable and assign it the imp id tag. Make a boolean variable as working. Create a function sort. Then add an if condition to check whether input field is empty or not. If empty, then we won't execute the function and alert the user. If it's not empty, then we move forward. Then add another if to check if the output box empty, if not, then we make it empty. Then, create a constant itr_speed and assign it the value of input tag whose id is speed. Now check if the value entered in the speed tag is greater than 1.5 seconds, because value greater than this will take too much of time to sort the array, and we wouldn't want that now, do we? Then in the next line make working equals not working. This will automatically change the workings value. Now, declare 2 variables as min and first. Create an array, which stores the values entered by user. At first, these values are in string format, so we perform type conversion, using loop and parseInt method. Now, create an interval and assign it to the interval variable. Check if working variable is true. If yes, then clear interval and return nothing. Create a for loop which will start from first plus 1, in this we will check if the value of ith element in the array is less than value of minth element, if true. Then we assign value of I to min. Then, outside the loop add an if condition to check if the value of first has reached the array end. If true, then update the inner text of our output box, then clear the interval. And if the variable first not reached the end, then swap the elements in the array with the minimum value found in the for loop we used above. Then the updated value of our array will be set to the inner text value of our output box. After this we increment the first variable by 1, which indicate that first iteration is complete. And we found the first minimum element in the array. Also set the value of min to the value of firsts. At end, add the itr_speed variable.